Audio Jungle.
This public elementary school in Quezon City has one of the most number of students in Metro Manila.
By now, at least 50 young students should be crammed into this small space. Instead, we are seeing an empty classroom, void of any activity.
Schools remain closed because of the COVID-19 scare. And even then, things are not going to be the same.
There will be no face-to-face classes and sessions until we are assured of the safety of our children and our teachers.
Good day, Philippines. As we're all known, this COVID-19 has huge impact in different aspects, such in our economic, health, and especially our education. Today, I'm going to special class to observe what the changes that cause of this pandemic.
Okay, good day everyone. Good day, grade 6 cheerful. How are you today? I hope you're doing good and fine. So, our lesson for today is all about matter. So, I know that this lesson is tackled on your, I think, grade 3. And I know that some of you have some knowledge about the matter. So I'm gonna tackle again it to you. So I'm gonna state our objectives. So our objectives for today is at the end of the lesson, students will be able to define what is matter, differentiate the characteristic of each main forms of matter, demonstrate how matter changes. So anyone who still remember what matter is? Can you tell me what's your understanding about it?
Matter is something that occupies space po, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for that answer. Another one. On your own understanding.
Matter is everything around us.
Okay, very good. Thank you for your answers. So, matter is anything that has weight and takes up space. Everything you can see on your surroundings and you can touch, it is made of matter. And also, matter consists of various types of particles. So this is the matter. Matter is anything that has weight and takes up space. Matter exists in 3 main forms, which is solid, liquid, and gas. So do you have knowledge about the 3 states of matter? Machate, do you know the solid, liquid, and gas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here in matter, we have the first one forms of matter, which is the solid. So the solid is something that we can touch. For example, is our ball pen. Ball pen is something that we can neither touch nor hold because it has a definite shape and volume. So that is solid. And solid are materials that has a defined shape and volume that stays the same. They are the ones who is solid, hard objects. So okay, can you give me some example of solid forms of matter which is solid?
Other example of solids are books, cars, and etc.
Okay, thank you for your answer. So now you know what is solid is. So we will now go to the second one, which is the state forms of matter, which is liquid. Liquid is a type of matter that changes shape depending on the shape of its container. For example of this is when you pour milk into a cup, it takes up the cup's inner shape. Furthermore, liquid is something that we cannot touch. So the good example of it is water. We cannot hold water because it is liquid. But if you put the water on the container, it remains on what is the shape of the container. Okay, Machate, give me more example of liquid.
Oil, vinegar, and soy sauce, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your answer. So now we will now go to the last forms of matter, which is the gas. Gas is a type of matter that spreads out to take up all the spaces available in the container. So good example of this is in a birthday party. We blow a balloon. We put air inside so that the balloon will form on its shape. It's like heart, circles, like that. And another example, did you have a kettle or takure on your home? You sometimes saw a smoke if it is boiling. It is a gas because of the water. So that is some of an example of forms of matter, which is the gas. So another example, can you give me one?
Cloud po, tapos hininga.
Oh, yeah, the breath, hininga. So thank you for your answer. So, okay, can someone differentiate to me the three stages of matter? If you understand the three mains of matter, can you differentiate it to me?
The three stages of matter are solid. Solid has a definite shape and volume. Liquid has a definite volume but take the shape of the container. And the gas has no definite shape or volume.
All right. So I think, thank you for that good answer. I think you understand our lesson for today, and I guess we can proceed to our activity. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you excited to our activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So the instruction of our activity is guess the following picture if it is solid, liquid, or gas. So number one picture, can you tell me what's the answer?
Gas, ma'am.
Gas. Very good. Number two,
Solid, ma'am.
Solid,
solid.
po.
Thank you. Number three,
Liquid,
po.
very good. Liquid. Number four,
gas po.
gas. Very good. And number five,
Solid.
wow, very good. So I know, and I hope you understand our lesson. So for number 6 to 10, I'm going to call you one by one, and then you will bring one object and identify it to us if it is solid, liquid, or a gas. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one by one. I'm gonna call you one by one, okay? So the first one is Machate. Can you show us what object do you have there?
This one is alcohol, ma'am.
Alcohol.
It's liquid.
It is liquid on a container. Thank you so much. Next one. Pineda.
This one po. Cell phone.
Cell phone. So cell phone is
Cell
a
phone is solid po.
solid one. Thank you. And next, Arias.
Notebook, it's solid.
Notebook. It is a solid one. Next is Olivaria.
The object I have here po, ma'am, is eyeglasses and it is classified as solid po.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you for your answer, all of you. So I guess you understand, and I hope you have learned a lot. That's all for today. And thank you for attending our meeting. Goodbye, class. Goodbye, grade 6. Cheerful.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Goodbye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. That's my lesson for today. Today, ma'am.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon.
Through this pandemic, what is your way to deliver your lesson so that students learn effectively, even if it's online learning?
Okay, since it's online learning, I use constructivism theory because we teacher was not able to teach our students in face-to-face setup or personal. So we let our students to explore and learn by their own.
Okay, thank you. How do you facilitate in ground or in classroom?
So I facilitate it first. We give varied examples. We relate our lesson in real life situation, and I provide lots of activities, especially activities that they answer by their own.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Teacher Bal.
Thank you.
It is truly sad that this pandemic affect even the quality of education in our country, but our teachers do their best to ensure that they produce quality and competitive students by their different way of teaching. Let's all remember that youth is the hope for the nation. Again, I'm Ferini Salaber Medalia, 314.